Skin whitening. One of the biggest beauty concerns among girls is hyperpigmentation or dark patches on face and other body skin like knees, elbows, neck and underarms. There can be many reasons for dark and dull skin, such as overexposure to harmful UV rays, pollution, dust, dirt, dry skin, stress, bad eating habits, prolonged use of chemical-based products or some underlying medical condition. All girls dream of flawless skin and a perfect skin tone. But our current lifestyles and exposure to environmental factors make it a dream that seems too far-fetched. Therefore, a common cause of dark skin or hyperpigmentation is an excess production of melanin in our skin. So, the change of color happens when melanin overproduction happens. Melanin is produced by the cells when they are exposed to the sun. The more sun exposure, the more melanin is produced. Melanin used to protect our skin from sun damage. This reduces the risk of skin burning and skin cancer with future sun exposure. Sometimes hormonal changes are also responsible for darkened skin. In pregnancy, many women faces change in skin color, but that is temporary. No matter what the cause of your dark skin problem, the good news is it is easy to get rid of dark skin with some effective skin lightening home remedies. And here we have one of them. Potato is chock full of vitamins C, B1, B3, and B6 and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, along with dietary antioxidants, making it an amazing skin-loving ingredient. It helps maintain clear skin with an unmistakable glow. The vitamin C in it boosts collagen production, which helps to maintain skin elasticity and firmness, while the zinc heals and protects damaged tissues. It removes dead skin cells and impurities from the skin. Potato is also rich in phytochemicals, such as sulfur, and chloride. It can help lighten scars and acne blemishes, thereby promoting clear skin and an even skin tone. How to use it: peel the potato and cut it into inch-sized pieces. Rub the pieces of potato on the areas you want to lighten so that the juice is spread onto your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash with water. You can also grate the potato, squeeze out the juice, and apply it with the help of a cotton pad. Apply twice a week for better results. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.